Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, in this day we are revising the chapters for PT2 and today we are going to revise the lesson that is chapter 13 and I want to tell you the syllabus of periodic test will be from chapter 12 to chapter 16. So keep in mind. Dear student, today we will discuss about revision of chapter 13 traveling far and near. In this lesson we will see the exercise portion today. So all you are requested to try to give the answer that I am going to ask so that you can check your progress, how much you have prepared yourself, and the main thing that I want to tell you, beta, read the lesson carefully many times. Okay, read the chapter many times because question will be asked inside the lessons also. So let's start. This one, first one is circle the correct option. Here you have to circle the correct option. Options are given in every sentence statement. So first one is the routes that connect all important cities are known as. बेटा वो रोड जो कि सारी important cities को connect करती है that road is called what? National highway or expressway? Yes? Yes, beta. National highway. So, correct answer will be national highways. It will be the correct answer. National highway is the road that connect all important cities. Next is the Panama Canal joins the Panama Canals joins the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. बेटा इसमें क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा गया है कि जो पैनामा कैनाल है वो किसको किसको ज्वाइन करती है मतलब किसको किसको जोड़ती है. सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी इन अटलांटिक ओशन एंड पैसिफिक ओशन. Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Next is which document is not required while traveling abroad. बेटा कौन सा ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट है जो कि अगर हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं विदेश फॉरेन टूर पे तो उस समय उस डॉक्यूमेंट की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है ना. You have to tell that document which is not needed when we want to go abroad. So what will be the correct answer here? Passport or ration card? Here correct answer will be ration card. Okay beta. Next is when was the steam powered vehicle invented? When was the steam powered vehicle invented? मतलब बेटा स्टीम पावर जो व्हीकल होती हैं वो कब इन्वेंट की गई? What was the year when steam powered vehicle मतलब जो भाप से चलती है वो व्हीकल बेटा कब इन्वेंट की गई? करेक्ट आंसर विल बी 1769. Correct answer will be 1769. You can see here the road that connect all important cities are known as national highways. The Panama Canal joins the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Next is which document is not required while traveling abroad. मतलब कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट है जो कि बेटा अगर आप बाहर दूर देश में जाते हैं ट्रैवल करने के लिए तो किसी चीज़ की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है। राशन कार्ड। व्हेन वाज द स्टीम पावर्ड व्हीकल इन्वेंटेड? सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी 1769. So keep in mind, and now we will see fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Yes, student. In fill in the blanks, you have to fill the correct options. First one is humans invented the dash which the animal dragged in plain areas. Humans invented the dash which the animals dragged in plain areas. मतलब बेटा वो ह्यूमन इन्वेंटेड आदमियों ने मतलब हम लोगों ने क्या इन्वेंट किया जो कि जो है एनिमल्स के द्वारा ड्रैग किया जाता है, खींचा जाता है। दैट इज कॉल्ड स्लेजेस। दैट इज कॉल्ड स्लेजेस। Sledges. Correct answer will be sledges. Second, Dash invented the airplane in 1903. बेटा 1903 में जो एयरप्लेन है वो किसने इन्वेंट किया? एयरप्लेन वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय राइट ब्रदर्स। Wright brothers invented the airplane in 1903. Next is transport can be broadly divided into three categories. जो ट्रांसपोर्ट है बेटा उसको तीन कैटेगरीज में बांटा जा सकता है। और वो कैटेगरीज कौन कौन सी हैं बेटा? वो कैटेगरीज ट्रांसपोर्ट की जो कैटेगरीज हैं बेटा डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज, दैट इज कॉल्ड लैंड, वाटर एंड एयर। दैट इज कॉल्ड land, water and air. Okay beta, these are the categories of transport. Next is the length of the coastline of the Indian mainland is dash kilometer. यहाँ बेटा आपको बताना है कि इंडिया का जो कोस्ट लाइन है वो कितना उसका एरिया है, कितने किलोमीटर है। सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी 6100। 6100। नेक्स्ट इज नाउ शिप्स आर द बिगेस्ट मोड ऑफ। जो शिप्स है बेटा वो किस चीज का मोड है? ट्रांसकॉन्टिनेंटल ट्रैवल। होगा बेटा ट्रांसकॉन्टिनेंटल ट्रैवल। So let us see again. Humans invented the sledges which the animals dragged in the plain areas. Wright brothers invented the airplane in 1903. Transport can be broadly divided into three categories: land transport, water transport and air transport. The length of the coastline of the Indian mainland is 6100 kilometers. 6100 kilometers. And now ships are the biggest mode of transcontinental travel. So my dear student, it's all about our today's class. Please do the revision properly, and if you have any problem you can ask to me. So be careful about your study. Thank you. Have a nice day.